Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for coming back to see a girl. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe. If you're not new and you haven't already subscribed, what are you doing? So today's video, I'm going to be giving you the tips on how to grow your social media and how I gained a total of over 20,000 followers in less than 4 months, right? I know. And if I can do it, you can do it. You just have to do the work. And also, if you still need more help, I do have an ebook for social media, and I'll link that in the description box as well. If you are interested in learning more about growing your social media, keep on watching this video. First things first, let's talk about social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is pretty much a way to grow your business, a way to put your business out there to showcase your work or showcase your service or product, whatever you have that you are trying to get more exposure to. That's what that is. Social media is a very good way to grow your business, and in 2023 that's actually the main way to grow your business. So you need to hop on social media if you are not already on social media. One of the first things I did to grow my social media was build my brand. So I pretty much, as far as like your logo, your colors, as far as like your reels, if you don't know what a reel is, it's like a video on like Instagram. I'm gonna make sure that your reels have the same kind of format, so if someone were to see it, they would know that it's your video, if that makes sense. Another thing that I did to help me grow, and this is the most important thing that can help your page grow, is content. Content. You have to make your content. If you don't have content, no one would know what you do. No one would know what you are trying to sell. No one would know what you are trying to draw attention to. They won't know why you're here. Content does not have to be difficult. Now, there are levels to making content. If you want that extra level, you know, with the good camera, good angles, you can do that. But if you are just beginning, content can be something as small as shampooing a wig out and putting something on top of it, some words, some like inspiring words, some viral music, and boom, you got your reel, you got your content, and that can go viral. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to see other content and want to kind of do the same thing, but not exactly the same thing, but the same concept. So that's okay, but don't copy someone else's reel word for word, music, same caption. Don't do that. Be unique. That's what content is about. Seeing the different ways people make videos, because it's just interesting to see people's styles, the music choices, the words, the voiceovers. Everything is just unique and creative, and that's what we want. That's what you want to do. Be unique and be creative. When you are just starting your page, I would suggest that you post content twice a day. That can be a reel and a picture. That can be 2 reels if you're feeling feisty, or it could be a carousel. You have to make sure that your content is good though. Don't just throw anything out there. You know, make sure you have good quality on your phone. Wipe your camera off if you need to. Good lighting, good angles. Make sure it's a clean space, because it's content. It's like another job, honestly, but it's a job that'll pay you. When that video does what it needs to do, the clients will come in, and you pretty much got your clientele that you've been looking for. You got your content and everything together. You want to make sure that you are engaging with your audience. Engage with them. Do like comment down below if or comment your favorite hair product, or comment which wig you like the most. Engage with your clients. Not clients. When I say clients, I mean your future clients, okay y'all, because we're gonna get these clients one way or another. But anyways, make sure to engage with your clients. Talk to them. Stop being a stranger. You want somebody to buy from you, but you don't even interact with them. How rude of you. How rude of you. Other thing you want to do when posting your content is to use viral trending sounds. Okay, if you don't know how to find a viral trending sound, I show how to do that in my ebook. But you want to use a trending sound. Trending sounds can make your video blow up because it's a trending sound. Everyone is using it. Trending sounds can go for about 2 weeks, or probably more than that if the sound is that popping. So you want to immediately hop on that trending sound as soon as you find out that it's trending. Another thing you want to do is hashtags. Hashtags are also important important. There was a wave in like 2020, 2021 with hashtags were going crazy. I feel like in 2023 it's still there, but you don't need as many hashtags. I know some people was making like 50 hashtags. You don't need that many. I would say 20 or less. You don't need no more than 20 hashtags. If you put the right hashtags, your video will be seen. So just don't overdo it, because Instagram will most likely shadow ban it. If you are making a wig reel, do not put landscaping. Do not put Madea, Mary J. Blige, Beyonce. Why are you doing all that? There's no need to do all that, because then they're just going to shadow ban your reel, because it's like you have nothing to do with that. So why did you tag that? So tag what you are posting in your reel. Wigs, wig maker, wig stylist, entrepreneur, hairstylist, wherever you from, hairstylist. You want to post on your story at least 10 times a day if you are really trying to grow your business page, because you want people to see your little bubble at the top of their page as much as they can see it. That way they might have a better chance to buy from you, because you keep popping up on their mind. You on their mind, you on their mind, you on their mind. And that's what you want. You want to be on their mind. Okay, don't do too much, because then that's when people will start just scamming through and miss whatever you got going on. So for example, like during the week is when I post a lot on my story. During the weekends I slow it down to just like 5, because I'm probably taking my day off and I don't want to deal with social media. But Monday through Friday is when I work, so I'm like working anyway, so I just take pictures throughout my day, throughout my work, and yeah, I just do that. So making sure your story is updated and all that is very good. You also want to make sure you have a nice bio. Make sure your bio is clean, nothing crazy, nothing that'll scare somebody away. Chocolate thunder, caramel kisses. We don't need none of that. You don't want to scare nobody away. Okay, this is a business. This is not a personal page. This is a business page, so keep it business related. And I was just being consistent. Just be consistent. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Just keep doing it. I still do it to this day. It's been years. I've been using the same method. My page is at almost 70,000 followers in 1 year. Last year in March, I was only at 1,200 followers, y'all. Last year in March, I was only at 1,200. This year is April and I'm at 70,000. So I just kept doing the same thing. If you want to go follow me, okay? But if you look on my page now, it is mainly reels. I post a reel every single day. I want to stay consistent and stay engaged in the social media world, because you want your name to stay where it's at and grow, you know, and you want your name to keep popping up so people can keep thinking about you, you know. So those are all of the main facts that I can give you. If you want more information, you can purchase my ebook. It is on sale for only $20. No, actually $15. It is on sale, so by the time you see this video, it will be on sale for $15. Make sure to purchase that if you are interested in that. If not, I hope you enjoyed this video and got something from it. Don't forget to actually put in the work. Please put in the work. It's not going to come by itself. It's so easy to just watch a video like this, but if you don't put in the work, it's going to show. If you do put in the work, it's going to show. So pick your poison. Pick your poison, okay? If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and got something from it, so it can be shared to other people who might be interested in wanting to know how to grow their social media. With that being said, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.